Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, I will continue answering limits of functions. This time, it's about infinite limits. Ang ibig sabihin ng infinite limits is ang magiging answer natin sa limit is either positive infinity or negative infinity or pwede rin ang does not exist or DNE. Itong answer na to is kapag ganito ang ating forma ng ating functions. Limit of f of x as x approaches a na kung saan ang ating function will lead to undefined. Pag undefined, that is a number over a 0. Example, 1 over 0, 2 over 0, or any number divided by 0 is undefined. Kapag ganito ang ating format ng ating limit, ang answer dyan ay either positive infinity, negative infinity, or does not exist. Let's have example number 1. Find the limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0. If we're going to analyze our problem, pag sinubstitute natin ang 0 sa x, ito ay magiging 1 over 0 which is undefined. Therefore, ang ina-expect nating answer dito is either positive infinity, negative infinity, or DNE. What we're going to do is we're going to evaluate the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit. For right-hand limit, ang format ng ating problem is limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0 from the right. Using our rule of infinite limits, ito yung ating rule kapag limit of 1 over x raised to n as x approaches 0 from the right is equal to positive infinity if the exponent or n is any positive integer. For our right-hand limit sa ating problem, we can see na yung exponent ng x is 1, which is a positive integer. Therefore, ang magiging answer natin dito is positive infinity. For our left-hand limit, ang magiging format ng ating problem is limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0 from the left. Using again our rule of infinite limits, for number 2, the limit of 1 over x raised to n as x approaches 0 from the left is either a negative infinity or positive infinity. Negative infinity ang sagot if the exponent n is odd positive integer. At positive infinity naman ang sagot if the exponent n is even positive integer. Now, i-apply natin siya dito sa ating left-hand limit. Makikita natin na yung exponent ng x ay 1, which is an odd positive. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin dito is negative infinity. After knowing the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit of our problem, we're going to compare their answers. We have right-hand limit versus the left-hand limit. Ang answer natin sa right-hand limit is positive infinity. Ang sagot naman natin sa left-hand limit is negative infinity. Kung i-compare natin yan, magkaiba ang positive infinity at negative infinity. They are not equal. We all know that if the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit is not equal, the answer is DNE. Therefore, the limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0 is equal to DNE or does not exist. For example number 2, find the limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0. Again, by analyzing our problem, if we're going to substitute 0 sa x squared, ito ay magiging 1 over 0 or undefined. We can expect na ang answer is positive infinity, negative infinity, or does not exist. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit. For the right-hand limit, ang magiging format ng ating problem is limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 from the right. Using our rule of infinite limits, rule number 1, limit of 1 over x raised to n as x approaches 0 from the right, the answer is positive infinity if n is any positive integer. Sa ating problem, ang exponent ay 2, which is a positive integer. Therefore, the answer is positive infinity. For left-hand limit, ang format ng ating problem is 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 from the left. Using our rule of infinite limits, number 2, limit of 1 over x raised to n as x approaches 0 from the left is either a negative infinity if the exponent is odd positive, and the answer is positive infinity if the exponent n is even positive. By looking to our problem, ang exponent is 2, which is an even number. Therefore, the answer is positive infinity. After knowing the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit of our problem, i-compare natin yung kanilang value. For right-hand limit, the answer is positive infinity. And for the left-hand limit, the answer is positive infinity rin. By comparing, positive infinity is equal to positive infinity. Therefore, the limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 is positive infinity. Kung mapapansin natin, yung ating unang problem or unang example, limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0, the answer is does not exist or DNE because x raised to 1, the exponent is 1 odd number. And for example number 2 or problem number 2, limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0, the answer is positive infinity. The exponent is even positive. We can conclude na pag pinaltan natin yung expression natin na 1 over x cubed, the limit of 1 over x cubed as x approaches 0, we can expect that the answer is does not exist or DNE because the exponent n is an odd positive. 3 is an odd positive, therefore the answer for this limit is DNE. If we're going to find the limit of 1 over x raised to 4 as x approaches 0, the exponent n is an even positive integer. Therefore, the limit for this problem is positive infinity. After knowing the rules of infinite limits, try the following. Number 1, what is the limit of 1 over x raised to 5 as x approaches 0? And number 2, find the limit of 1 over x raised to 10 as x approaches 0. We can expect na magiging answer dito is either positive infinity, negative infinity, or does not exist.